Hello, good evening, students. Let us see the question number 2, students. They are asking the number of sigma bond. Okay, number of sigma bond and pi bond, and also pi bond and IUPAC name. IUPAC name. These three things are there. So, dear student, if you want to do the numbering of this particular hydrocarbon, so from which direction you can do the particular numbering, students? Okay, so any direction you can do, because double bond is starting the same way, students. So suppose you are doing from here 1 2, this is 3 4 5 6 7 8, and suppose if someone is doing here, students, so what you will find, this is 1 2 3 4 5, okay, no 4, this is 5 6 7 8. Double bond where is there, student? First and first, then third, down, and up also third. Okay, so there is the same way is there. This compound is any direction you can do the numbering, so need not to get confused, students. Okay, so dear students, what we are going to do, we are going to write the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, so how can you be able to write the IUPAC name, dear students? Okay, so let us have a look over it, students. Okay, let us have a look. So what is the exactly, there is no prefix is there, students. Okay, so we will start from word root. A word root is 8 is there. 8 means what? Oct. Okay, and then you see that is what is there, student? The double bond is there. Okay, double bond is there. So what we can write is, student, octa. Okay, and on first position, then on third position, then on 5 position, then on 7 position, what is mono, di, tri, tetra. Okay, tetra in. Okay, this is what the our IUPAC name, octa 1357 tetra in. This is our bond. Now, students, what we are going to understand here, the next point, let us have a look over. Now, students, what we have to do, we have to find out the sigma and pi bond. So how can you be able to find out the sigma? IUPAC name is over. So let us have a look over the sigma and pi bond, student. So to get to know the sigma and pi bond, student, we have to write the firstly this extended version of this compound. So how can you be? Firstly, the rule is what? Each pi bond, each pi bond contain, how, what, student? Each pi bond contain one sigma and one pi, one pi. Each pi bond contain one sigma and one pi. So dear students, here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. These are the 8 are the nice, students. So 8 carbon you make, student. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. You see, student, where is the double bond are there? First, you do the numbering first, then you can do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What position double bond is there? First, third, fifth, 7. So first here is double bond, okay, then third, then fifth, and then 7. There is a double bond is there, students. Now, dear students, what we have to do is, student, we have to summarize with the pi bond. So how can you be able to do the pi bond? That is the pi bond is over, so sigma bond. So here, students, here you put out the single bond, here is single. So this is the single bond is over. Now that is to complete the 4 valency of the carbon, you put out the hydrogen. So here is one hydrogen, and downside one more hydrogen. This 1 2 3 4 over. Here is 1 2 3. So here is the hydrogen. For this one 1 2 3. So here is hydrogen. Here is 1 2 3. So here is hydrogen. For 1 2 3. So here is hydrogen. Here is 1 2 3. So here is hydrogen. Here is 1 2 3. Here is hydrogen, and here is 1 2. So here is hydrogen, and here is hydrogen, dear students. Now you count out, students, count out this how many sigma and pi bond. So let us have a look, student. Okay, let us have a look. So 1, okay, this is the not correct pen. Here is the 1. This is also not being correct, students. You put out to be little sharp. Okay, so here is 1. Okay, here I am erasing, trying to erase it out, students. Okay, how can you be able to erase? So if you am erasing this, let us have a, okay, so I am erasing the numbering, no need of numbering, student, because I have to do the counting for the this one, so I removing is this like that. Okay, now I got it out here. So let us count out, students, count out this. Okay, how can you be able to count, student? So if you count this, dear students, if you count this, so yeah, so this is 1, okay, sigma 1 2, this is 3, okay, 4, this is 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So sigma bond, how many are there, students? 17. Now count out pi bond. So dear student, where is the pi bond? If you see, student, pi bond, so let us have a look over the pi bond, student. So here is pi bond 1 2 3 4. So pi bond is equal to how many are there, student? 4. Sigma 17 and pi is 4. This is our required answer, student. Dear student, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel so that it can reach out to other student.